Alright guys, so greetings in the name of the Most High. Mosha, coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic. Remember I said that, the first and only authentic Jamaican restaurant on this island. So if you go anywhere else and you try Jamaican food, you're wasting your time. Number one, it's not authentic. Number two, just because people try a lot of Jamaican food all over the place, they think they have the best. Now, I'm not bragging, guys, because what I do, I didn't go to school to learn this. And I'm doing this video because this gentleman, I could not help. I mean, I have a lot of videos, but this one touched me a lot, and I need him to say it to the public. And what's your name, brother?
Victor.
His name is Victor. Victor, can you go ahead, take your time and explain what you just told me? I just made him some Jamaican food. And tell the people what you told me.
Yeah, I've been a lot of places. I got a chance to travel all over the world. I've been blessed enough to do that. I love Jamaican food. I'm Puerto Rican, so we keep the Caribbean vibes very similar. But I always loved Jamaican food.
For real.
There was a couple of places around town that I went to simply because I'm like, okay.
In Sosua?
Yes.
That claim to sell Jamaican food, right?
Yes.
Okay.
To be perfectly honest, it is a complete waste of time to try any other place.
Wow. You hear that, guys?
Simply because I've been everywhere. And I've never tasted Jamaican food made with the type of love and attention to detail as this Jamaican food that I've had here. So if you're in Sosua, do yourself a favor, bless yourself.
Wow, thank you.
And bless him.
Thank you, my brother.
Stop on by.
Thank you.
And treat yourself to a taste that you've never had before.
Wow.
His jerk chicken is phenomenal.
Thank you.
His cabbage is made in such a way that melds all the taste together.
Yes, and it's not cooked.
No, and it's not cooked.
Tell them what you told me about that. And what you said about the flavor.
Yeah,
what you figured out yourself.
Yes, sure, absolutely. When I first got the food, I looked at it. The presentation was very nice.
Thank you.
So I went and I started to taste the cabbage because it didn't look cooked.
Right.
So I tasted it and I said, "Oh, okay, but it has a good bit of vinegar in it."
Yeah, thank you.
And I wasn't sure as to why, but once I kind of blended all the food in together, it made perfect sense.
Yes.
The taste of the cabbage brought out all the flavors.
Yes.
The taste of jerk was phenomenal and wasn't overbearing.
Right.
It was made to perfection.
Right.
Please stop on by if you ever come to Sosua, Dominican Republic. Do yourself a favor, bless yourself.
Thank you. And you told me that you expected the taste to last long in your mouth and burn your mouth, but what happened?
To be honest, when I first tasted the food, I expected the jerk burn to stay longer.
Yes.
But to be quite frank with you, as soon as I ate the food, I drank a little water. It was made perfectly to where it brought out the taste of the food.
Thank you. That's the idea.
But didn't overwhelm you.
That's the idea.
Sometimes, you go to a Jamaican place and it's so hot, it's like...
Can't eat it.
You can't eat the whole meal.
That's right.
And even when you probably eat the second half of the meal, it's still burning your mouth.
Yeah.
But no, this was made to bring out the taste, not to overwhelm.
You said it right. He is the first customer that ever tastes my cabbage and express the sentiment that it's meant to. And he said it himself. And I needed him to say that, guys. And I want to thank him for coming. And he said something, what did he say that I want to address about the burning? That the burning of the pepper is, I have different levels of pepper. And for the first time, when I cook jerk chicken for people for the first time, I don't kill it. I make it the way he just explained, and he enjoyed it. And if he needed more jerk sauce, I would bring it to him. So I present that first. So for that purpose that he so eloquently expressed to you guys. And I'm making this video, I wanted him to do it, and I thank him for doing it. Hey guys, as we're on this subject, there is the Playa Sosua, the beach. I used to be on the beach. And I'm the first Jamaican restaurant in this island. When I came to this island, even the Haitian restaurants that you see on the beach, I'm responsible for all of that. I'm going to tell you how. But before I tell you, I'm going to tell you what happened on the beach when I left the beach. When I left the beach, all the Haitians, the one Haitian that was next to me, what they used to do, they used to lie to the customer and tell the customer they make jerk chicken. Then they used to try to come to me to cook the jerk chicken and bring it over to their place. So I figured it out and I stopped doing that. Now that I left the beach, when people come in looking for me on the beach, they tell them, oh, he's not here. They talk all kind of bad things about me and tell them they make jerk chicken. Don't eat jerk chicken or oxtail on the beach from those Haitians, guys. I'm warning you. Don't do it. If you just want to stuff your gut, do it. But don't eat it if you're really looking for some flavor. It's better for you to eat Dominican food than to waste your time. So I've had people come and tell me they went to the beach, this is how bad it is, and tried beef patty. This guy, Haitian guy, told them they make beef patty and bring him out some Frankenstein thing, and the guy had to get up and leave it. That's how greedy they are. You understand? So this gentleman, I wanted you guys to hear it from his mouth. So again, he's just told you everything. Don't mess around. And I'm not glorifying me, guys. Please don't take it that way. It's only fair to you. I've had people eat in my place that tell me, Moshe, you make my vacation. I was miserable. I couldn't get good food. I go to the other spot on the strip, and I had jerk chicken and I had oxtail. Oxtail was salty. It sucked. Guys, we cook in Jamaica what we call Sunday dinner. Every Jamaican know on Sunday we cook real Jamaican food. We cook it all the time. Take all day for cook. We go to Sunday school and come home, and that's when we eat dinner at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. So I do that for this gentleman. I do that for everybody. And I want to thank him. Thank you, my brother.
No problem.
And I really appreciate you. Go ahead.
One last thing I want to say is this.
He say it on, brother.
The biggest part of business is customer satisfaction.
Yes, yeah.
Because that's how you get repeat clientele.
Yes.
And that's how you get your name out.
Exactly.
The fact that I've been so many places, and this is the best Jamaican food, hands down.
Wow, guys, say that again?
This is the best Jamaican food, hands down.
Thank
and
you.
I've been to Jamaica.
Thank you. You hear this, guys?
So, that being said, do yourself a favor, do this business a favor,
Yes.
and support people and businesses that put the proper love, attention to detail,
Yes.
and just the art of the craft.
Wow. Thank you.
No,
He said it. He's saying
I'm an
everything.
engineer at home.
He's saying everything. Wow.
I know the value of good technical processes and procedures.
Yes.
His process creates a way for you to not only enjoy the food, but crave it in the future.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's made with love, it's made with
Thank
attention
you.
to detail, and I appreciate that.
Thank you.
So if those are things that you appreciate, if you appreciate a good meal, a good experience, stop on by Motion.
Yeah, you know, it's funny that you say that because, I'm gonna say something. A lot of people come here, and my kitchen, I have food here, and I don't sell them any food. I tell them the food is finished or something. You know why? The spirit that I cook for, if it's not a normal spirit, I don't cook for that. So a lot of guys come and they will complain about price, they complain about this, because you know what, like he said, if you appreciate, and that's a very important word. I have a saying, if you don't have time to wait, I don't have time to cook, because I'm not a chef. It's a gift that I got from the Most High, and all the praises is due to the Creator within you. And all of you have this talent. You have to tap into it. Stop being jealous. A lot of people come here and they're jealous of me. A lot of them, my own people. They won't eat here. They go to the other place where the people don't like them. And I don't have to say who they just don't like them. And they go there and they sit there. Why? Because of women. You know what we call them in Jamaica? P-hole. I won't say the whole word. And they get robbed, but they won't come and appreciate. And this is why they don't get what they deserve. They don't get what they should, because they, in the minds of them, they don't support me. So people like you who support me, I need your face and your words to be out there in the ether, because you never know. The right people will hear it, and the right people will not go and make the mistakes. And you talk about the other place you went to where you said, yeah, talk about the I won't say the name. You talk, because you was telling me a story about that other spot.
I have a friend back home, and they cooked me some Jamaican food for the very first time.
Wow.
Very first time. And God bless them, but it just wasn't that good. But
Thank
it
you.
sure was better than theirs
Yes, his food is better than the one over there.
Yeah, not too far away.
Because you said that wasn't jerk chicken you had over there.
That was not jerk chicken.
Of course not.
The taste wasn't even that great, and you could tell it was just put together.
Thank you.
The attention to detail wasn't there, and one last thing that I'm going to say is quality cost.
Exactly.
Quality cost, and the time that he puts into the craft is worth every minute that you're going to wait here.
Thank you. As a matter of fact, I'm about to make some jerk chicken that I showed to the brother right here. And I'm going to finish the video with this, guys. This is my jerk that's been marinated for a little while. All right? And then I drop this in my smoker. All right? So if you go to anywhere else, just ask them how they prepare the jerk. Number one, I import all of my seasoning. Some from Jamaica. I have an import license to import everything from Jamaica. I only use Jamaican stuff. I use some of the local powder stuff, but I use Jamaican product. They don't do that. And if you look over there, you will see they're having a little mini meat grill sitting in front, like they're doing real jerk to fool people. That is deception. And they say don't talk bad about business, but I'm speaking the truth, because I get people to tell me. I get people come here with tour guides, and the tour guide. This is how bad it is. The tour guide bring the people to my business, and the guys would say, we don't want to have jerk chicken because we already tried it somewhere else and it sucked. You know what they was talking about? The other spot. So I have to protect my business by telling you the truth. This is what's happened, why I have to speak out. I used to be quiet about it, but now I have to speak because I get a lot of complaints, and it stopped people from trying me because they're going to think I'm just like the other place in the corner. That's a fake, with that fake mini meat grill they have in the front of the business, and they just drop some chicken on it and take it off, chop it up, put some sweet sauce or some other sauce and call that. Guys, that's not jerk. If you're not doing jerk chicken with the pimento wood, the leaves, and the spices and the other spices that goes in it, you're not making jerk. Look, guys, I'm going to tell you one more thing and I'm going to shut up. Jerk chicken is a process. When I run out of jerk chicken, I tremble because it takes me so long to set it up. And if they don't have that process going on, they're not doing jerk, and they are not going to do it. It takes too long, guys, right? And if it's not on the wood, yes, brother. If it's not on the wood and it's not set up correctly, they're not doing jerks. And so anybody, listen to this, guys. Anybody can get a grill, season some chicken, drop it on it, and put some sauce, and call it jerk. It's not jerk chicken, guys. There's a difference, guys. Ask the people when you go to buy jerk chicken if they're giving you grilled chicken with sauce or they're giving you jerk. Just do yourself that favor. And if they say they're giving you jerk, ask them how they prepare it. All right? And then you will know. Keep that a secret. My brother, thank you very much for your support.
No problem. Thank you.
Your beautiful, blessed word. May the Most High guide and protect you. And guys, yes, I want to say again, please always show love to everybody, because when you think about it, you only love yourself. All right? Peace out. Osha Regular. One love.